Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do English task of day 4. We are going to read book page number 56 and we will write on workbook page number 46. So let's open your English reading book. Open page number 56. We are going to read the concept of this and that how to use this. Yes, it's unit number 13, use of this and that. Where we use this when something singular is near to us. जब कोई एक सिंगल चीज़ हमारे करीब होती है then we use this in the sentence. फिर हम उसके लिए this का word यूज़ करते हैं sentence में. और अगर कोई चीज़ दूर होती है then we will use that. So we use this when something singular is near to us. If a single thing, एक चीज़ अगर हमारे करीब होती है then we will use this. So let's start reading. Let's read. So look at the first picture. What is in this picture? It's a banana and banana is near to the boy. Is it far from the boy? Boy के करीब है ना banana. Then we will use this. So make sentence with this. This is a banana. It's a banana, not an banana. Because banana begins with letter B and B is a consonant. So we are using article a. This is a banana. So look at the next picture. What is in this picture? Here is an egg and egg is near to the boy. Boy के करीब है egg, near है. So we will use this. This is an egg. We are using article an because egg begins with letter E. E is a vowel. So we will say this is an egg. What is the spelling of this? T-H-I-S. T-H sounds the. I-S is. The is this. This is an egg. Look at the next picture. This is a frog. Here is a frog in the picture and it is near to the boy. So we will make sentence with this. This is a frog. A frog because frog begins with F. F is a consonant. So we will use a. This is a frog. Now look at the next picture. Look at the next picture. What is in this picture? Here is ant and ant is close to the near to the boy. So let's make sentence with this. The is this. This is an ant. We are using article an because ant begin with letter A. A is a vowel. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So A is a vowel. We will use article an. This is an ant. Now come to the next picture. What is in the picture? Here is a turtle and turtle is near to the boy. So we will say this is a turtle. We are using article a because turtle begins with T and T is a consonant letter. The is this. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. Look at the next picture. Here is an onion. So onion is close to the boy, near to the boy. So we will make sentence with this. This is an onion. We are using an because onion begins with O. O is a vowel. This is an onion. Look at the next picture. Here is a star and it is near to the boy. So we will make sentence with this. The is this. This is a star. We are using a because star begins with S. S is a consonant letter. This is a star. Look at the next picture. Here is an X. X is used to cut the woods and it is near the boy. So we will say this is an X. We are using an because X begins with letter A. A is a vowel. So we will use an. This is an X. This is an X. So students, we have read the page. Now we are going to do our workbook work. So open page number 46. We will do written practice of concept of this is a or an. So let's start the make sentences using this is a or an. Look at the first picture. Here's a cat. This is a cat. Next picture is of an apple. This is an apple. A is vowel, first letter of apple, so we will use article an. Let's write apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. This is an apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple spellings are also written under the picture. This is an apple. Look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a bat. B-at, bat. So make sentence. This, the is this. T would be capital because it is the first letter of the sentence. So T will be capital. The, T-H-I-S. The is this. This is a or an. We will use a because bat begins with letter B and B is a consonant, not a vowel. This is a bat. B-at, bat. Write down bat in proper lines. Write it neatly. And after completing your sentence, put a full stop. Next picture is of an egg. Egg spellings E-double-G, egg. Egg begins with letter E and E is a vowel. So we will use an. This is an egg. Egg begins with E. So let's make sentence with this. The is this. T would be capital because first letter of the sentence is always capital. The is this. What is the spelling of this? T-H-I-S, this. This is an egg. We will use an because egg begins with E and E is a vowel. This is an egg. And after completing your sentence, don't forget to put a full stop. At the end of sentence, what you will put? A full stop. So don't forget to put a full stop. This is an egg. E-double-G, egg. Now here we have a dictation word for practice. Look at the picture. What is in the picture? Here is a tub. Tub. T-ub, tub. T-U-B, tub. T is the sound of T. Ub is the sound of U-B. T-ub, tub. We will practice it 3 times in given blanks. So let's write tub and you will learn these spellings. T-ub, tub. T-U-B, tub. It's a bathtub and it is your dictation word. T-ub, tub. T-U-B, tub. You will write in small letters. So students, after writing it third, your work will be completed. And after completing your work, what you will say? You will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.